Welcome to Pure Octane Garage, where we bring you detailing information and other automotive goodness. Today, we're going to be talking about hose guides. Something simple and quick, guys, that can really save yourself from a lot of frustration getting the hose caught under the tire. That's no fun. So I've got two different types of hose guides here. Here's a set that I got on Amazon. It's a set of 4. And these were around 15 bucks. And they've got this kind of spinny guide right here. And you just jam it under the corner of the tire to keep the hose from getting pinched. And they work pretty well. Pretty simple, straightforward, not too expensive, only like 15 bucks. As you can see here, the hose guides along it just fine, or slips past it just fine. It's got little bumps that kind of hold it, kind of poke into the tire. I mean, they're not sharp by any means, but they just kind of poke in there. But it got me thinking after I got these. I'm like, I wonder if I could just make some simple ones myself. I happen to have a 3D printer. And so I started looking through the different resources for 3D files, and I came across a bunch of really nice different files and multi-piece prints that you would assemble. Some of them you would have to put in a bearing, which is great, but I wanted something simple. So I found this file here. These are pretty great. Nice and simple, just one thing to print, nothing to assemble. And I printed these out of PETG, which is a little more durable than your standard filament, 3D printing filament. And these work just as well. As you can see, the hose glides right by them. The only thing I noticed is I do have to jam them in pretty tight against the tire. But after that, they work fine. And if it ever were to wear out or break, I can just print more. And again, it's not bad to get a whole set of 4 with a hanger, this fancy hanger I forgot to mention, for 15, 16 bucks. But printing one of these, printing a set of 4 actually, would be just maybe $2 at the most, probably less. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting yourself a hose guide, because for far too long I'm pulling either the pressure washer hose or your regular garden hose to the other side of the car, and it gets pinched, and you got to walk out and pull it way out, and then it gets pinched again, and it's just no fun and frustrating. So yeah, having a hose guide saves from being frustrated. So thank you for watching this quick video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that thumbs up. It helps us out a lot, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.